In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can sell $1,000 ceramic coatings as a mobile detailer. This is one of the biggest false beliefs I see when I'm talking to detailers inside a Detail Wizard, is that they're mobile, they never sold a ceramic coating, they're not really sure if they can do it mobily, they don't think they compete with the big shops. I'm going to show you exactly how you can. Just like Eric, he went from 3K part-time, started selling ceramic coatings mobily, and he's doing 16K per month in his first 30 days. He just bought a shop, he's going all in. Or Christian, who he's still a mobile detailer. When he started, he was part-time, kind of doing normal details whenever he could. Now he just did 20K in his second month. He's still just focusing on mobile, so it's definitely possible to do ceramic coatings as a mobile detailer, and let's get into those steps right now. So the number one thing that detailers tell me is like they don't have a shop, right? So they can't do ceramic coatings. I've sold hundreds of thousands of dollars in ceramic coatings mobily, whether it be in my business or for other detailers. It might be over hundreds of thousands of dollars at this point. I haven't really done the math, but you don't need a shop. You can do it mobily, and there's a couple different ways. So the number one way would be use the customer's garage. If they have a garage, just go in there, deliver the ceramic coating inside the garage. Obviously, pull it out to wash it, do all the prep work, pull it back in, do the paint correction, do the actual application of the coating inside the garage, keep it out of the elements. That's the number one choice if you have an option to do that. If they don't have a garage, not a terrible problem. You can get a big 10 by 20 tent. It's one of these tents right here. It has walls on all four sides. A car will fit into it. I mean, if it's a giant lifted truck, it might not. You might have to get some lifts to go under the legs. But this tent will pretty much cover any vehicle, normal size vehicle inside of it. Then you just do everything in there. You can wash it in there, prep it in there, correct it, and coat it all inside the tent. So just because you don't have a shop doesn't mean that you can't deliver ceramic coatings effectively and make the car shine and keep it protected and still charge top dollar for your coatings because you're still providing the same value. And a lot of times you can spin it like you're providing better value. You're coming to the customer and it's done in one day. It'll cure overnight. Sometimes you leave the tent there and let it cure under the tent if they don't have a garage, or they have a garage, just pull it in there, let it cure, just let the customer know. But that you can also swing this as more value because you're coming to them. It doesn't take 2 or 3 days. Where at a normal detail shop, they might say a coating takes 2 or 3 days. The coating doesn't actually take 2 or 3 days. That's just kind of the grace period they give themselves to get it all done. And you can provide the value quicker and more efficiently on their time. So you can spin that in the sales call as a better thing. The other part of this is detailers that just have never done a ceramic coating. That's another limiting belief. They're mobile, they're getting started, they want to sell ceramic coatings, but they've never done one, they don't know how to get into it. Just go to YouTube, and that's where everybody starts. Go to YouTube, devour hours and hours of ceramic coating content, learn how to correct, learn how to prep the vehicle, learn how to actually apply the coating, do some research on different coatings that you might want to check out. We use Suncoat, we've used System X in the past, both great coatings. You could also just start with a G-Technic that you can get at a ceramic coating or a detail supply shop. They're all ceramic coatings. Some are just easier to work with than others, and some are a little bit more durable, a little higher grade. But just educate yourself is the first step. After that, what you're going to do is practice on your own personal vehicle, family member's vehicle, preferably not one that's like super nice, but one where you have some paint on the vehicle and you can work on correcting it, getting out swirl marks and everything like that. Try some different pads, try some different buffing compounds, and really just test and educate yourself further, right? More hands-on education. Once you've done your car or family member's car, you feel pretty confident in your service. That's when you start marketing ceramic coatings where you can go do it on a customer's vehicle. Now, you might start out a little cheaper at the beginning when you're first getting started, just to get some customers in the door and book some ceramic coatings. But eventually you'll have it down. The actual application process is really not that complicated. The paint correction part is where you might get hung up a little bit. Another thing is if you don't feel confident in your paint correction skills, you can just focus on new vehicles. So you can run an ad for just brand new vehicles or just run a ceramic coating ad and only try to sell the vehicles that are brand new. They won't need a lot of correction. So sometimes you can just go in, clay bar, iron decon, maybe a light polish on the vehicle if there's any like swirls or anything straight from the factory. But it will cut down on a lot of the work and the risk of burning through the paint or not being able to get all the swirl marks out and stuff like that. So you could just focus on new vehicles, and there's some detailers, even detail shops, that just really coat new vehicles because it's easier. They can get them in and out of the shop quicker, and still charge, $1,000. So that's another angle that you could go at if you aren't super confident in your paint correction skills, or you could start doing new vehicles and then work your way into doing more vehicles that need to get paint corrected. So these are just a couple things just to help with your limiting beliefs. They're false beliefs. They're not true. You can do mobile ceramic coatings. Detail shops, they will tell people that you can't, obviously, because they have a shop and they don't want mobile detailers taking their jobs. But it's all in your head. You can, as soon as you flip the switch, realize you just need to just do it. You can do it in the garage. You can get a tent and just problem solve it out. And when you get over the belief of you've never done one, you're not sure if you can charge that much, you can. It's simple. I know dozens of detailers who've never sold a ceramic coating and now they're doing multiple ceramic coatings a week. So it's just a one flick of the switch. Switch your mindset. You can. It is possible. If you want help and you want to learn how we book out calendars with ceramic coatings, you can get our free ceramic scaling playbook. It'll be in the bio of this video. It's totally free. Just go and download it. If you're interested in us running your ads for you, running the whole system where we run your ads, follow up, campaigns, really all you do is get on the phone and book in jobs. We can talk about that too. But the first step would be get the ceramic scaling playbook. I'll text you after that, and then we can talk about that in the future. But yeah, if you have any questions or ideas for videos you want me to make, just drop them in the comments below because I'm going to start making a YouTube video every day, hopefully. And yeah, have a good day. See y'all tomorrow.